Let's try to find buying opportunities in the stock market today. Let's first start with Tesla, a stock that we love a lot because it's making great swings. We had great swings in 2020, 2021, up to 2022, and a great swing in 2023 right here from a low of $100 to $300. So that's a 3x right there. And right now we are seeing some movement. And we are trying to analyze if that movement could give us some reasons to buy it. We don't buy because of the fundamentals, because even though the fundamentals of Tesla were great, look at the earnings, positive earning, positive earning, positive earning, positive earning, positive earning, and the stock was tanking. So fundamental data is nice, but it's not everything. It's definitely not everything. Yeah, we are looking at it right now. We have been following this downward resistance, a downward channel. So Tesla has been trending down for the past 2 years plus, close to 3 years now, coming down. So on average, since the end of 2021, Tesla has been going down. It is making some moves up that we can profit from. And all of our yellow arrows are buy signals that we found. So right now we are outside of this downward channel. This is a channel, a trend. We are outside of it, so this is good news in itself. Then what we tend to do on this channel is to wait for a break of a horizontal resistance also, because price tends to have tops. We call that a resistance. So right now we have a top at 234. We cannot break 234. So we cannot break 234. We have too much sellers at 234. So we are going to wait until sellers are overpowered by the buyers at 234 before even thinking about buying. We are just watching to find the best opportunity, and the best opportunity is to have a break at 234. Let's take a look at the VIX, which is giving us an indication of the health of the market in itself. So Tesla is also influenced by the market, the stock market itself. It's influenced by things that are happening to the company, Tesla, but it's also impacted by what's happening in the stock market. So when the VIX is going up, stock market tends to go down. So the VIX came up 0.56 today at 17. Not too bad, 17. When it gets close to 19, 20, then we can start to worry a little bit, and stock market usually has a harder time going up. Let's take a look at the Dow Jones. So this is a very important index. Dow Jones moving higher today. We broke 41,368 Friday. Now we are continuing. S&P 500, this is making a big top. This is making a top. We have some bullish channel resistance that we are coming right next to. We have a top at 56.68. This is red. And now we are getting close to it. We'll see if we cave into that top or if we continue. NASDAQ, we are trending down. This is pretty clear. Look at this perfection. On the same line, we are caving into the same line. So NASDAQ is having a hard time breaking that downward. NASDAQ is respecting this downtrend. So be careful about buying stuff in the NASDAQ as part of the NASDAQ index, because as a whole, the NASDAQ index is going down. Yes, we can find some companies that are going against the grain. Not everything is going down, but as a whole, this is going down. Let's take a look at our important stocks. So Apple, we are losing 216.57. This is not good news. Stochastic is below 60. We had buyers that were propping the stock at 216.57. They are no longer there. There is a strong chance that this continues to fall. Amazon, we are caving into 189. Cannot break past 189. We stopped even a little bit short. So this time we could not do it. Now we seem to be recoiling a little bit. We have a support right here. Support are where the buyers are. So we'll see if we still have buyers there. And if we have buyers there, they are going to push it up. And we are going to see if the sellers are still there at 189 or 190 to prevent it to go higher. On this channel, we are looking at the tug of war between buyers and sellers and using that information in order to position ourselves. AMD, this is a great example of a resistance. We could not break 153.35 on Friday. We tried to break it today. We broke it, but we did not close above. We came back down. Sellers are stronger at 153.35 than buyers. Adobe, well, we caved in to 585.72 right here, caved in strongly, and now we are even losing 527. So buyers are losing faith. Buyers are losing faith, and sellers are happy. ARM, we caved in to 150. See, 150. This is what these resistance are there for. We don't wait until it breaks them because we should be caving down to them. Google is going to be trying to break this downward resistance. We stopped right smack on it. We'll see if it breaks it eventually. Microsoft, okay, we have a little bit of movement. 431.10. 431.10, we have a break, a very shallow break. So we have a break there. You can consider this a buy. It's not the best break. It's a very shallow break. Also, we have been going higher and higher for the past 4 or 5 days. So we are a little bit away from our 21-day EMA. So, and at the same time, we are close to this bullish channel resistance. So there could be some caving in a little bit. So just be mindful of that. Meta, okay, while the buyers are getting stronger, we are breaking 523.39. We are breaking 531.75. So this is quite good. We still have some remaining resistance at 544. You can buy right now for a bit of a swing that could cave into 544 or continue. Just want to say that. So the first buy was at 523.39. NVIDIA, we are caving into 117.26. No time to buy. This one is not caving too much. We broke 35.59. 35.59. We could not break it. We stopped there. Friday, boom. Now we are continuing. Yes, we are close to that resistance right here. We are far away from the moving average, so we could be having a coiling down eventually. So if you are into profit, make sure that you keep your profit. SMCI, we are trying, second day, we are trying to break this downward resistance. We did not succeed yet. SoFi, boom, look at this. Broke 793. Broke 793. This is the overall channel we are in. So this is a buy. Put a stop loss below 793, maybe below 780 approximately. But we could be having a nice swing up to $9 or so. Let's take a look at our EV stocks. EV stocks, we have a hard time staying above 30.79. We are climbing. We have a hard time breaking and staying above. But the big break is going to come when we break 32.78 because it's a bigger resistance and we could be moving further away. But still, there's a buy when we close and stay above 30.79. There is a buy from 30.79 to 32.50. Lucid caving in a little bit. Let's see if our bullish channel is going to hold. Neo Battery Material holding 9 cents. Neo the staying power is very good. We had a nice move and we had the break right here. We had the break at 422 and now it's at 540. That's pretty good. So far, we don't see another break. This is just going sideways and it's waiting. Novonix, nothing to say here. Xpeng still cannot stay above 905. Rivian going sideways. Novomont, Graphite. I like this. I like to see a long wick at the bottom and no wick at the top. So we were pushed down, but we came back up. So this is showing us that we have some buyers there. And we have broken 146 during the day, but we could not stay above. And Nikola Mining, 31 cents. Bitcoin caving into resistance. Look at this. XRP going sideways, not too bad of a day. Gold continuing higher. This one is nice. We had a little bit of a sideways move right here. Boom, we have broken it, and now we are launching. Silver, strong move also. Strong move also. We are still waiting for a break at 234, and let's not forget what is going to happen on Wednesday. The FOMC meeting, FOMC. This is the hikes in interest rates. This is the hike. Right now, we are at 5.5. What is going to happen? People are expecting Powell to decrease by 0.5%. If this happens, we might be getting a little bit of a launch in many stocks. So let's be patient until a Wednesday afternoon at 2 o'clock approximately. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.